Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi pocket. First, locate the power button on your device and press it to turn it on. Next, carefully insert your activated SIM card into the designated slot. Once powered on, the device's screen or a label will display the network name, also known as the SSID, and the password. Make sure to note these details down for connecting your other devices. Now that your pocket Wi-Fi is active, it's time to connect your other devices. On your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, navigate to your Wi-Fi settings. You will see a list of available networks. Find and select the network name, or SSID, that precisely matches the one displayed on your pocket Wi-Fi device. Finally, enter the password you noted earlier to establish a secure and reliable internet connection. To effectively manage your internet experience, keep an eye on your data usage. Many pocket Wi-Fi devices show this information directly on their screen or through a companion mobile application. Be mindful of the battery life. Most devices offer between 6 and 10 hours of continuous use on a full charge. When the battery runs low, simply recharge it using the provided USB cable and a standard power adapter. For the best possible performance, position your pocket Wi-Fi in an open space, away from obstructions, to ensure optimal signal reception. To maintain faster internet speeds, try to limit the number of connected devices. Typically, these devices perform best with up to 5 connections. Lastly, always secure your network with a strong, unique password to protect your data and prevent any unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.